Hey everybody, here we are with this Jcpenny labeled Hoover Porta Power model 5545. Excuse me. Figured I'd go ahead and do a video on this machine because it's not going to be mine for much longer. It's going to my friend El Camino Carl 55. Trying to think of what else I'm going to say. Not really much else to say about it. See, I found it for $10 at a thrift shop a couple years ago. See, it's complete. I'm thinking this may have been a generic replacement. I don't know. It's got my crevice tool, upholstery, dusting brush, upholstery tool. See, even on this little caddy here. I'll open it. And see here. Oops. So, a little strange. What the hell? Hang on. Okay, so after a little fight with the hose, see, there we got the reusable bag underneath there. There we go. Now, not really much else to say about it. I'll run it. The switch is a little sticky. So, there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed. As usual, like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you want to see. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.